Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Canva to publish to Instagram. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Canva account and navigate to your design. In the top right corner, click on the share button. From the drop-down menu, select publish. Choose the social media option. Next, click on the Instagram icon. You'll see a prompt to connect your Instagram account. Click on the connect button. A pop-up will appear asking for your Instagram login details. Enter your username and password, then click Login. If prompted, authorize Canva to access your Instagram account. Once connected, you'll be redirected back to Canva. Now, return to your design. Click on Share again, and select Publish. Select Instagram from the publishing options. Add any captions you want in the provided text box. If needed, adjust other settings like image size. Once you're satisfied, click the Publish button. Your design will now be posted to your Instagram account. You can check your Instagram feed to verify the post. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.